When it comes to beef, not all cuts are created equal. Choosing grass-fed beef isn't just a trend. It's the only choice if you care about your health, the environment, and ethical farming. Let's explore why grass-fed beef is the superior option. Meat has been a fundamental part of the human diet for thousands of years, providing essential nutrients that are difficult to obtain from plant-based foods alone. High-quality meat, like grass-fed beef, is a rich source of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need for growth, repair, and energy. It also delivers crucial vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B12, which supports brain function, iron for oxygen transport in the blood, and zinc to strengthen the immune system. While a balanced diet includes a variety of food groups, the unique nutritional profile of meat makes it a vital component for maintaining overall health, supporting muscle development, and promoting long-term well-being when sourced responsibly. Conventional beef production relies on industrial farming practices that involve feeding cows grains, soy, and other unnatural diets. These grains are often grown with pesticides and herbicides, which harm both the environment and potentially your health. Pesticides linger in the soil, contaminate water supplies, and reduce biodiversity. As ruminants, cows evolved to eat grass, not grains, corn, or soy. Their digestive systems are uniquely designed to ferment fibrous plants, turning grass into essential nutrients like fatty acids and protein. Feeding them grains disrupts this natural process, causing health issues for the cow and lowering the quality of the beef. Grass-fed beef ensures cows are eating their natural diet, maintaining the health of both the animals and the environment. But not all grass is the same. Properly managed pastures with diverse, nutrient-rich grasses are essential to producing quality beef. Grass-fed beef contains an ideal omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acid ratio, typically around 1:1 to 1:3. This balance promotes heart health, brain function, and reduces inflammation. In comparison, grain-fed beef has a much higher omega-6 concentration, with ratios as poor as 1:10 or even 1:20, which can lead to inflammation and other health concerns. One noticeable difference in grass-fed beef is its darker red color compared to grain-fed beef. This distinct hue is due to higher levels of myoglobin, a protein that stores oxygen in muscle tissues. Cows grazing on nutrient-rich pastures tend to develop leaner muscles as they move around more freely and consume a natural diet. This increased activity, combined with a grass-based diet rich in beta-carotene and other antioxidants, enhances myoglobin levels, giving the meat its vibrant, deep red appearance. The darker color is a sign of quality and natural feeding practices, reflecting the superior nutritional profile of grass-fed beef. Choosing grass-fed beef often aligns with ethical farming practices. However, it's important to note that grass-fed doesn't always mean organic. Organic certification ensures that no synthetic pesticides, herbicides, or GMOs were used in the farming process. Beware of misleading labels like pasture-raised or natural. These terms don't guarantee that the cows were raised in humane conditions or fed a grass-only diet. Always look for verified certifications like 100% grass-fed and organic to ensure the highest quality. The best-case scenario is knowing exactly where the cows live and how they are treated and fed, ensuring their welfare aligns with your ethical and health standards. Grass-fed beef isn't just better for cows, it's better for you. It's a powerhouse of essential nutrients. For macronutrients, a 3-ounce serving provides about 25 grams of high-quality protein, which helps build and repair muscles. Grass-fed beef is also rich in micronutrients like vitamin B12, iron, zinc, and selenium. These nutrients support red blood cell production, boost your immune system, and even protect your cells from damage. Additionally, it contains conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which has been linked to improved immunity and fat loss. Combined with its healthy fats, grass-fed beef promotes a balanced gut microbiome, a cornerstone of overall health. Remember, when choosing your food, always stick to the most natural options to support your body and the planet. The reason grass-fed beef is more expensive lies in its production. Allowing cows to graze naturally takes more time, land, and resources, which increases costs. Industrial feedlots, by contrast, rely on mass production and cheap grains to lower prices. But with grass-fed beef, you're paying for better nutrition, better treatment of animals, and a more sustainable farming system. When you choose grass-fed beef, you're investing in better health, ethical farming, and a more sustainable future. So the next time you're at the store, remember, grass-fed isn't just a choice, it's the right choice. Choose grass-fed. Choose better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful.